Hello everyone, welcome to our interview, the video about today we introduce the solar light, solar floodlight. We bring the new floodlight at our office desk, so you can see here. We will introduce the solar light first for you. Okay. How to return. Okay. For solar light, you will know it is it will have the solar panel and the lamp body. Solar panel and the lamp body. Right now we use the cable connect with the solar panel. At back place connect with the lamp. Here is the waterproof connect way and the long cable wire connect with the lamp. Right now the lamp is charging. You can see the light is flicking. Yes, the red light. And here is the remote controller. From the remote controller, you will see the buttons here. At top is auto, and here is setting the time, like 3 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours. Also have the on off, and here we will use the battery, two battery inside the remote controller. Right now everything connected. Let's try to use the remote controller. Use on means turn on the light. Wow, so bright, so bright. And then we use the off here. Yes. And here is the menu here. And two boxes. This color box is for the floodlight, the lamp body, and here is the solar panel. One set will be solar panel and lamp body, and also will together with the remote controller, menu, and mounting parts.